Alright, you guys, so it's a little bit gloomy today, so if the lighting looks a little funny, it's because it's gloomy outside. The sun is going to be coming in and out, or maybe not at all. Also, if you guys can listen to the background, they're doing construction outside of my building right now. So I'm not going to do my typical outro just because I just don't like how that sounds. So I'm probably going to do a voiceover for my outro over like the finished look. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the wig, just stay to the very end of the video and I'll let you guys know how I feel about this unit.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of being with your moms, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga's house in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I ride into somebody, must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy is snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. It's in a closable cab. Hey, I see some records attack. They don't let them make it back. I don't think they had the crib going crazy down bad. When they had it, they didn't last damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to. fight for me, he one night time. I never listened, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be faking it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you want.
Well, this is the finished look, you guys, and I absolutely love it. Look at the beautiful curls on here, and this is how it looks because I put on that Lotta Body foaming mousse. So if you don't want this kind of look, then make sure you don't put any product on there. But look at that hairline, you guys, very natural. No baby hair is being used today. Definitely trying to go for the natural look. This is a 13x4 22-inch unit, and it is 150% density. This is how dense it is with a lot of product on it. You guys see how like stiff my hair is there, so it'll definitely be a lot fuller without all of the product. This is where the unit is hitting me in the front at 22 inches. I am 5'3" for reference if anybody wants to know where it's going to hit on them. This is pretty much mid-back for me. I definitely like this unit, and I think a lot of you guys will too. So if you guys are interested in this unit from Beauty Forever Hair, check out that description box down below for a direct link, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.